2.5 लाख रुपए अपने रिश्तेदारों से लिया और डबल करने के लिए, ऐसा एलिगेशन है लॉ से।
एजेंट है आप?
What they used to do, they used to obtain the money and reply to that, they used to give a check of the double of the amount.
क्या किया आपने?
इसमें लॉ से ही इज ए गवर्नमेंट टीचर एंड एलिगेशन उसके खिलाफ ये लगा है लॉ से कि इसने 2.5 लाख रुपए अपने रिश्तेदारों से लिया और डबल करने के लिए, ऐसा एलिगेशन है लॉ से।
एजेंट है आप?
नहीं, ये उन्होंने कहा कि डबल करने के लिए, जबकि हमारा ये ट्रांजेक्शन है लॉ से, ये रिश्तेदार थे, इन्होंने हमने हाथ उधार लिया था, लेकिन चूंकि वो क्या है, बालाघाट जिले में एक स्कैम हुआ था डबल मनी का। जिन जिन ने उधार वाले थे या जो साहूकार थे, उन्होंने सब में इसी प्रकार की एफआईआर करके कर दिया। इवन देन लॉ से ही इज गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट, ही इज रेडी टू डिपॉजिट दैट अमाउंट लॉ से।
कितना है अमाउंट?
2.5 लाख रुपए।
यस।
My lord, in fact, my lord, in the entire district of Balaghat, my lord, there have been n numbers of FIRs, wherein, my lord, what they used to do, they used to obtain the money and reply to that, my lord, they used to give a check of the double of the amount. Here also, my lord, the present applicant, my lord, he has issued check of the double of the amount to the complainants. That has been seized from the complainants.
इनके अगेंस्ट और कोई केसेस?
नहीं,
There are actually, my lord, two connected cases. Tikan Lal Matare, he is not having any criminal antecedent. my lord.
नो क्रिमिनल
No,
एंटीसेडेंट्स?
criminal record don't have.
He wants to deposit the money.
हाँ.
Applicant has filed first application under section 430 police station offences. Counsel appearing for applicant submitted that applicant is innocent and falsely being implicated.
गवर्नमेंट टीचर।
It is submitted that applicant is government employee and he will not abscond from law and will regularly attend investigation and trial of case. It is further submitted that applicant is ready to deposit an amount of rupees
2,50,000.
2,50,000 before CJM showing his bona fides. Full stop. Government advocate opposed the application. It is submitted that number of cases of similar nature has taken place in district Balaghat. Applicant has collected the money from his relatives to double the said money. Full stop. There is direct allegations against the applicant. In these circumstances, application be dismissed. Third, applicant is government servant. He is ready to deposit the amount. Offence is punishable up to 7 years of imprisonment. Considering aforesaid circumstances, application is allowed on deposit of rupees 2,50,000 before CJM. कहाँ के हैं ट्रायल कोर्ट?
जी, बालाघाट।
बालाघाट. Conditions. He will appear before investigating officer as and when called in relation to investigation of case. 2 sureties, 50,000.